What's up, guys? So this is gonna be my first video ever. This is a 1996 Honda Civic, and this video is just gonna be a quick, look around with this car, and I'm gonna do a 2000 front end conversion. So it should be fun. So basically, 1996. I'm gonna give you a quick look around.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so I basically took out everything already: fenders, bumper, hood. I didn't show any of this because pretty much self-explanatory. Nuts and bolts, whatever's holding it on, just take it out. So right now, I'm gonna put the 2000 front end in, and hopefully it aligns perfectly. That's what I'm hoping for, but we'll see. I basically just installed the headlights right now. Tell me these shits don't look so pretty. Oh my god, yeah. And then you got the old ones over here. Them shits are, cruddy and shit. Don't worry about this car. That's in later videos, but right now, things looking pretty good. I'm just, trying to work it, trying to figure it all out, but we'll see how it goes. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so we're back at it again. So I got the fenders in. It aligned pretty well, to be honest. Pretty happy about it. This side aligned pretty well too. This one aligned better than the other one, but everything's not like fully bolted on because I still want to make a couple adjustments just to get it perfect. So we gotta keep going. Just missing the bumper and the hood. Let's see how this 2000 front end conversion goes. All right, so I got the hood on, both the fenders. Headlights are on. Only one little problem. I put head spacers on there. You can see that, but yeah, I like, fuck it, why not? But this fucking hood had a defect. Hopefully my body shop guy can fix that because I did not want to go back and exchange this. I couldn't get no fucks. So I was like, fuck it, I'll let him handle that. But it's looking real good. I love it. And now I'm gonna put the bumper. And there's only one thing I forgot also. I forgot the grill. So I'll just order one. But it's definitely looking good. Definitely looking pretty. Alright, so it's pretty much done. The only thing I didn't account for is the grill. I kind of forgot to get that. But other than that, the car is pretty good. I might have to get a new fender or pop this out a little more because for some reason I kind of bent on that one. Or that's how it was. I don't know. So this one came out flush. But other than that, thing came out fucking good. I like it. Alright, so this is the final results to the 2000 front end conversion. I got the grill, got fog lights in there. I got the whole car repainted. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the whole car got a full paint job. He got some little imperfections. The guy, fucking scumbag, to be honest. But whatever, I got the car painted. I'll probably next year, I'll probably get it redone for everything that he fucked up on. But this is the full, complete 2000 front end conversion.